Beef stew. The very name conjures images of a simmering pot, fragrant with savory aromas, promising warmth and comfort on a chilly evening. But this humble dish has a rich and fascinating history, a journey that spans centuries and continents. Early forms of the beef stew can be traced back to ancient Rome, where soldiers would slow cook tough cuts of meat over campfires. This method of long, gentle cooking transformed the meat, making it incredibly tender and flavorful. Over time, beef stew evolved, influenced by regional cuisines across Europe. French cuisine in particular embraced the art of stewing, resulting in iconic dishes like Boeuf Bourguignon. This Burgundian masterpiece typically features braised beef in red wine, accompanied by pearl onions, mushrooms, and bacon. The legendary Julia Child played a pivotal role in introducing French cuisine to American home cooks. Her elegant yet approachable style made complex dishes like Boeuf Bourguignon accessible to everyday enthusiasts. The beauty of beef stew lies in its simplicity. It's a canvas for creativity, allowing you to experiment with different cuts of beef, seasonal vegetables, and aromatic herbs. The flavor profile is a symphony of richness. The deep savory notes of the beef, the earthy sweetness of the vegetables, the subtle tang of wine, and the comforting warmth of spices. Beef stew's enduring popularity is a testament to its versatility and universal appeal. It's a dish that nourishes the body and soul, bringing people together around the table. Whether it's a classic family recipe passed down through generations or a modern interpretation with a global twist, beef stew remains a timeless comfort food that continues to evolve and delight. So the next time you're craving a warm and satisfying meal, consider embracing the rich history and comforting embrace of a perfectly simmered beef stew. Got beautiful meat, carrots. Fantastic. I hope you take the time to make this recipe, and we'll see you soon here at the Chef's Backyard.